everyone, this is Meera Gupta. In today's video, I am going to cover the next part of the story The Tiger King from class 12th English Vistas book. Before moving ahead, let us recall the story which we have read in the previous video. As The Tiger King written by Kalki is satiric story about a king of Pratibandhapuram. Earlier we have read that narrator was very excited to disclose the fact why the king was named as the Tiger King. Maybe because of his ferocious quality as a tiger or something else. The writer was also assured that no obstacles such as stucco bombers will deprive him from telling the truth. Now let us read the next para, that is para 4. Now I'm going to read this para and just listen it carefully. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. Demise here means death and foretold means predicted. Okay, now listen the explanation. The writer said that the manner in which the Tiger King died was very interesting. The writer could tell us about it only at the end of the story, but he adds that the very interesting fact about the Tiger King's death was that when the Tiger King was born, astrologer had predicted at that time that one day the Tiger King would die. This prediction is meaningless because, as a matter of fact, everyone has to die one day. There is nothing new to tell, and that's why it is meaningless. Now, see the next para 5. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but they beat their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologer came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. Now, difficult word compelled here means forced. Okay. Now listen the explanation. The writer Kalki gives an elaborate description of what the astrologers predicted at the time of the birth of the Tiger King. They said that the child would grow up to become a brave warrior, a hero, and a champion, but after that, they stopped and beat their lips in order to show their reluctance to speak. When the astrologers were forced to continue, they said that what they would reveal just now was a secret. They said that the child, that is, the Tiger King, was born under such a star. That means when he was born, the star which was up there in the sky was such that any person who was born at that time had to meet his date one day. Again, this prediction is meaningless because, as a fact, everyone has to meet his death one day. Okay, means till now the cause is not disclosed. Only it is said by the astrologers that one day the tiger was die. Now see the next para 6. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of 10-day-old Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, O wise prophets. Everyone stood transfixed in suspicion. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. O wise prophet, it was I who spoke. This time there were no grounds for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your prediction to know that. There would be some sense if you could tell us the manner of the death. The royal infant uttered these words in this little squeaky voice. Now see the keywords, the difficult words of this para. Transfixed means cause someone to become motionless with horror, wonder, or astonishment. Now, stupefaction means shock. Enunciated means say or pronounce clearly. Now, listen the explanation. As the astrologer revealed their secret prediction, a miracle took place. The 10-day-old Tiger King, whose name was Zilani Jung Jung Bahadur, spoke up. Everyone got shocked. All the listeners were surprised to see a 10-day-old baby speak. The Tiger King called out to the wise astrologer, and the main astrologer removed his spectacles and looked intently at the little baby, who was only 10 days old. The Tiger King said in its squeaky voice that all those who were born have to die one day. There is no doubt. And he did not need their prediction to know this fact. Why? Because everybody knows the fact. He added that if they told him the manner of his death, that would make some sense to him. Means he wanted to know the cause of his death. If the astrologer would be able to tell the cause of his death, then maybe that would make some sense to him. Okay. Now see the next para 7. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opens its lip in a speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible. Rather like the bulletins issued by the War Office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. The prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, death comes from the tiger, he explained. Now, incredible means unbelievable. Okay. The story is going very interesting. Listen carefully. Now, listen the explanation. The chief astrologer was amazed to see a 10-day-old baby speak and ask intelligent questions. The boy was only 10 days old and he asked very intelligent question to the astrologer. It was unbelievable for him, just like the news which came from the wars. He took off his finger. The chief astrologer took off his finger from his nose and looked carefully at the little prince, at the 10-day-old boy. Then he added that as the Tiger King was born in the hour of the bull, which was an enemy of the tiger, means it was considered as the bull is the enemy of the tiger, hence the Tiger King would die due to a tiger. Now the astrologer disclosed the fact that what is the cause of his death. His cause of death will be a tiger, means maybe he will be killed by a tiger. The king will be killed by a tiger. Now see the next para 8. You may think that Crown Prince Jung Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the crown prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tiger be aware. Now see the explanation. The writer Kalki says that the reader may feel that the Tiger King trembled upon hearing the name of a tiger. Means if you will take the name of tiger in a baby in a front of baby, the baby would be worried, would be frightened. But actually that did not happen. On the other hand, as soon as the crown prince Jang Bahadur heard the name of the tiger, he made a deep growing sound and spoke terrifying words. He said that all the tigers should be aware. Now he is not going to frighten a tiger. The tiger should be aware of the king. Okay, means that 10-day-old boy challenged the tiger. Now see the next para 9. This is the last para of this video, and the next part we will continue in the next video. This account is only a rumor rife in a Pratibandhpuram, but with the hindsight we may conclude it was based on some truth. Now see the difficult meaning rumor. Rumor here means a currently circulating story or report of uncertain or doubtful truth. Rife means widespread or prevalent. Hindsight means to understand an event or situation only after it has happened. Okay. Now see the explanation. What happened then? Further, the writer says that this story is a rumor that was heard by him in the Pratibandhpuram. But if we look at the happenings of the past, we could conclude that these rumors were based on the true happening. Okay, means the rumors that was spread in the Pratibandhpuram was also based on the true happenings. Okay, and what were the rumors? That one day the king will be killed by the tiger. Okay, so here our story is end up of this video, and the next part we will continue in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day.